What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out. In this episode, we're talking about the Kampot Post Office. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Make people live through, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So we're here in Kampot, just by the river, by the bridge, and we're walking in towards the post office. It's a beautiful day. So it's located across from the famous seahorse statue here by the riverside in Kampot, and it's also right beside Reki Tiki Tavi restaurant and bar right behind me here. So it's this big yellow building. Department of Posts and Telecommunications, Kampot Province. So we'll head inside there. I'm not too sure about the rules about filming, and I'll show you what it looks like, and then maybe I'll do a little slideshow with information on prices for sending letters and sending things internationally or domestic or postcards or packages. So we'll show all that. Let's get in there. So it looks like on the outside there's a bunch of lock boxes here. I'm not sure if these are actually in use, but maybe it's a PO box and you have the key to one, and then when you know something's arrived, you can just show up and open it and keeps your things secure in there. And over here on the other side, they have a mailbox, posting box. So it says this is for letters only. Parcels with goods and everything, you have to go inside. So if you just have a letter or a postcard, you can put it in the slot there. Hello. It's pretty basic, normal front counter here. There's a few people working and they can speak English too, so they're ready to help you. There's no exact list on the wall of prices because they need to know what you're sending and where are you sending it to and how heavy is it, and so there's too many factors. So, but you can check on the website, and then I'll put a slideshow of information after this right now. Kampot Post Office services and prices. So domestically, a regular letter is only 20 cents anywhere in Cambodia, and a parcel, 1 kilogram, is $2.60. International mail, a letter is $2.10, and parcels go between $18 and $50 per kilogram, depending how fast you want to send it. Kampot Post Office location and hours. The location is on Riverside, directly across from the seahorse statue, and they're open from 7:30 till 12 noon, and then 2:30 to 5:30, and they're closed Sundays and public holidays. PO boxes are $20 USD per year with limited availability. Some tips and notes. Always include your phone number with your address info so they can call you for pickup. EMS for parcels provides tracking, while standard mail usually does not. And international letters can take 7 to 9 days. So these are the PO boxes. The ones outside, they don't use those anymore. They've moved it inside to these ones, just because it's less exposed to the weather, and they get a lot of rain here, so it's better to keep it all inside. People were complaining about the outdoor ones. So it looks like too they can do a money order, parcels, everything. Next I'll show you a company that everyone uses when you're sending goods or packages or boxes of stuff, or when you order things online and you're getting it shipped just within Cambodia, like from Phnom Penh to Kampot. or from Phnom Penh to Siem Reap. Usually when you're buying things, it's coming from the big city. And I actually did this just recently. I ordered some clothes and some hats and shoes and stuff, and from a place I always used in Phnom Penh, but I had it shipped to Kampot, and it's called Vireak Buntham. And we'll go there now so I can show you what that looks like if you order things online and have to pick it up. And what the retailers or online sellers, what they'll do is instead of just giving it to a delivery guy to deliver to you within Phnom Penh, instead the delivery guy just shows up to a Vireak Buntham where they are, and it might add like $1, or sometimes if you're buying enough, they just cover that delivery, and they send it on Vireak Buntham, and it shows up at the Vireak Buntham location where you are from, and then you just have to show up and tell them your phone number and pick up your package. So we'll go there now and we'll pretend we're picking up a package, and I can show you what to do and what it looks like. It's a beauty hot day. I'm roasting. It's probably like 32 degrees or maybe more. So here it is, the orange sign there. And when you go in there, it's like a lineup, and there's no English signs anywhere, and you wouldn't really know what you're supposed to do. And what you have to do is write down your phone number on a scrap piece of paper and hand it to them. And when you walk in, there's a counter there with a little box of pieces of paper and a pen. So you go in and write your phone number and wait till one of them sees you, and you hand it to them. And then you just have to wait. And it can be frustrating if you're used to the West where there's more order and organization, but you just have to go in and not have any high expectation of fast service or anything. And don't take it personally. Write down your phone number, give it to them, and then there's like a bunch of people. Some people are sorting, some people are doing other things in the back, and you're watching and you're thinking, when are they going to get my thing? And it's just piles of tons of packages, and it usually takes about maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes, like after you hand them your phone number. It could be like 10-15 minutes of standing there. Then all of a sudden they hey Bong, is this your thing? And then and I'm watching, I can see that's fine, and then I go over and that's it. So it's really easy. It's just don't get frustrated when you have to wait a bit and it's a little bit of hell in there. So I just stepped one step outside to get out of people's way, but you could see there at the counter there's the pieces of paper and everyone's standing around, and you don't really know, is this the lineup? The people waiting in line, they might have already handed their thing in, or maybe they're sending something, so you never know what lineup is for what. So you kind of have to just gently push your way to those little pieces of paper, because you need to get your phone number down. If you're standing here and you've not even written down your phone number, it's like you're not even here. So you get to that little box of paper and get your phone number down and give it to them, and then you can just stand around, and then all you have to do is wait for them to hand it to you. Let's take one more look in there. Those guys look like they're having a fun time on their job. They didn't mind I was filming them at all. I guess it's a beautiful day and they're friends with each other. They're just loading in stuff and unloading stuff. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.